Hey, my maiden fair repair lady, please will you listen to my plea? I'm in need of a service and I need it desperately. And here are the problems that are really troubling me, which is why I need your visit very, very urgently. You see, my leg pipes need winter lagging, 'cause they're really getting cold. And you're the one who always warms them up, from my hips down to my frozen toes. My shower eyes are leaking, I think my inner boiler's breaking down. 'Cause when I listen carefully, there is now only a faint heartbeat sound. My sausage has stopped sizzling, because my barbecue is now broke. I feel the whole thing needs your recoking, which is why I need you immediately, and most certainly not a bloke. So please, my sweet repair lady, jump in your car and get here quick, 'cause all the problems I'm now having is making me Tom Dick. I don't want an annual visit, in fact I need you every day. So if I show you lots of love, will you please stay and not go away? Now I'll listen for a ringing telephone, I'll stare patiently at the front gates, hoping for a fast response from you, and no longer shall I have to wait. This may sound like an ultimatum, but I cannot wait too very long. So if you are no longer repairing, then I guess I must move on. Then I will search for another who lives closer to my homestead, and then maybe if I reward her right, she can come service me daily instead.